E to the T, T, Y, I'm petty. Yeah, yeah, I'm petty. P, E to the T, T, Y.
Hey my petty besties, welcome back to my channel. And I lost the audio in this first part of the video, so bear with me, but I'm gonna show everything. You know, I'm gonna show all the products, and they're gonna be in the description box below if I left anything out. Thanks for watching.
When I'm flying, the descent is still my favorite part. Easy to end and hard for me to start. You don't wanna feel that part of me that's cold and numb with apathy. Cause when I feel that way, I can't help nobody. Nobody, I can't trust nobody. Nobody, I can't trust nobody. No, no, nobody, I can't trust nobody. No, 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 not even myself. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you and take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful.
Okay guys, my camera cut off really quickly, but I used the color Bond in the Juvia's Place Mini Masquerade palette. Oh, not Bond, Bori, I'm sorry. To do my lower lash line. And I'm also going to add a little bit of magenta from the Box of Crayons color palette on top of that. Now we're going to use the shade Twilight in the Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. And we're also going to add a little bit of Ballsy in a Jaclyn Hill times Morphe palette launch and Bling Bloss. As far as the lips go, I'm going to apply my Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. Now if you have Fussy, I believe, or Fussy Pink, whatever the shade is, if I don't have it right, I'll put it in the comment section down below. I would use that instead, just because Fenty Glow has a little bit too much of an orangey undertone. You want something with more of a pink undertone. I'm still gonna apply it. Now as far as my highlight is gonna go, I'm gonna do the shade Orgasm by NARS. And I'm going to do the shade Hustler Baby by Kilowatt, the Fenty Kilowatts. I'll mix those together. Mostly it's going to be Orgasm. So, just letting you know now. Take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm going to add a little bit of Ballsy on top of this.
Needed you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck did the time?
Okay, so I kind of like this look better without lashes as it is. But if you want to wear lashes, I would recommend something wispy and cute, but to the point where you're able to see the whole look. I wouldn't pick anything thick and extremely voluminous and long. Something like this is great. I'm feeling myself with these pink lights and this pink and purple look. This is really beautiful, you guys. I would definitely, 10 times out of 10, recommend. I'm going to get a little bit of a pinkering gloss and add it on top and see how that looks. The lip glosses that I'm going to put on top are going to be in the comment section down below, you guys, because I don't remember the names. Yeah, this is it. The way it's playing off the light, yes, this is perfect. Do y'all like this makeup look? I love it. I really love it. I don't know if I'm sitting a little too low in this video. If I am, sorry. I love this makeup look. I love how the pink filter over my lights are giving it a different ambiance. It's bringing out the pink in my hair. Alright, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that comment. Go ahead and get the... If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's right there, girl. Like, really, what are you doing? What better do you have to do than to hang out with me? Every week. Twice a week. I love you all. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll definitely see y'all in my next video. Queen Betty Team tuning out.